Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. It means no worries.
Your mommy aren't staying screen. Just checked in.
I caught the rolling off the
Well, we're back home again. According to mommy. Back to Coronado, where we usually end up. Look at all the construction they got going. They're making a big old new building. I think this is the busiest I've ever seen Coronado. All decorated. This is what riding on one of the buses. Now imagine this hack where people are standing right in front. You sure you don't want to get you something to eat? Here's our window. We got our snowflakes
I don't think we're
out.
very far from the front.
Santa Claus. The tree. That looks cute. Oh no. Does it make you hungry? Oh, it smells so good. Okay, we're at Coronado. And we ended up with a first floor room. After they mess things up again. Every time we come here, they mess things up. Even though mommy gets a hold of them months in advance, they still mess everything up. So, at least we're in a remodeled room. I doubt we'll come back to Coronado. We're probably going to save and stay at a more organized resort. Because this is starting to get on our nerves. As nice as this resort is, we're tired of dealing with it. I recorded our not remodeled room in October, so you'll have this to compare it to. Got a Keurig coffee. Look at the floor. It's not carpet anymore. It's like a hardwood sort of floor. This chair swivels. Beds. A fan. Light. Coffee station. Big TV. Huge desk. This is, yeah. Wow, cool fridge. Trying to hurry. My battery's dying. It's a connecting room. They usually are here. New doors that slide shut. Bed. 3 arrows in between. New headboards. Big double sink. Lots of shelves. Big mirror. Same bath stuff. Big closet. And mommy's probably favorite part is that it's a walk-in shower. Hopefully the shower head's better than usual. Is it? Oh wow! It's like a rain shower with a removable one on it. Cool! Ooh. Shadow like that. I wonder how many hangers there are. 1, 2. Oh, it's a pocket door. I hate pocket doors with a passion, but okay. Once you live with them, you don't like them. Wow, there's 1 hanger and then a towel rack. Disney rooms, I swear. Need more rooms. More than 1 or 2 people stay in these places. I do like them new sliding doors. Well, that's our room. Pretty nice. I'll have to show a view tomorrow because we're back late after seeing Jingle Bell, Jingle Bam. Now I'm going to take pictures. more hooks. They need one at least right here. That one's way over there, and this doesn't open, so you gotta reach way over there. Or I guess you can hang it here, but I like to hang mine up. But you know, you also have to reach in to turn on the shower. Well, that's right above you. And I don't like reaching in and getting wet. Not knocking on the shower, because it was a great shower compared to what they used to have. Very nice. But it's not easy to use. I'm just picky. I also have little reading lights on either side of the beds. But Mommy discovered that this port over here won't do anything. We tried the plugs and the USBs and none of them work. So, it's pretty good. Just not, you know, perfect. But it is refurbished, so there's going to be kinks, I guess. Well, the food smelled good and we were a little hungry, so we went and got some food from the cafeteria thing. Mommy got a rice bowl with a bunch of toppings, and I got tacos with toppings, and we're going to split them. Hope it tastes good. Getting back from Animal Kingdom, and here's our